Hey friends, I'm Miss B. Today we're learning about the digraph sh. Making the sh sound is actually really easy. All you have to do is put your teeth together, put the back sides of your tongue up, round your lips, and let the air flow out the front. Shh. I like to call it the quiet sound because when we're telling someone to be quiet, we say shh. Let's get started. Let's practice sh in syllables. Shay, like the shade an umbrella gives us. Shay. Your turn. She, like a sheep. She. Your turn. Shy, like how this boy is feeling. Shy. Your turn. Show, like the shore. Show. Your turn. Shoe, like a shoe. Shoe. Your turn. For each word, I'm going to say it first, and then I want you to say it after me. Remember to use your quiet sound. Shh. Here we go. Shell. Your turn. Ship. Your turn. Shovel. Your turn. Great work! Now let's practice the sh digraph in the middle of words. Freshwater. Your turn. Fishing. Your turn. Fishnet. Your turn. Excellent job! Now let's practice the sh digraph at the end of words. Wash. Your turn. Splash. Your turn. Fish. Your turn. Now let's play sh word fishing. Which sea animals have the sh sound? Look at the sea animals, say their names out loud, listen for sh, and point to the sh animals. Whale. Fish. Shark. Dolphin. Crab. Jellyfish. Swordfish. How many did you find? There are 4 animals with the sh sound. Shark, fish, jellyfish, and swordfish. Good job! Let's give this tongue twister a try. Shy shops for shiny shapes near a shady shore. Shy shops for shiny shapes near a shady shore. Shy shops for shiny shapes near a shady shore. Ooh, that was hard, friends. Now let's practice beginning sh digraph using mini stories. The ship. Shay went to the shore. A ship came by. The ship shifted with waves. It shook in the wind. Shay shouted with joy. She saw the ship sail sharply past. Shay felt shy, but smiled wide. The sea was still and shiny. Now let's practice middle sh digraph using mini stories. A day in the ocean. Lena went to the ocean. Waves moved in slow motion. She saw dolphins full of emotion. A crab did a funny commotion. She went fishing with caution. A jellyfish came. No explosion. The ocean was calm. She felt peace and devotion. Let's practice ending sh digraph using mini stories. The fish. A fish swam. It made a splash. The fish went past. It gave a quick flash. The fish swam fast. Then it was gone in a flash. Last one. Let's read and practice the sure consonant blend with a story. Remember, when we have a consonant blend, that means there's 2 different sounds that go together. So first we're going to have our quiet sound, sh, and then we're going to have the sound for R, sure. Shay and the shrimp. Shay went down a hill to the bay. Near a log, she found a shrub. Behind the shrub, a little shrimp popped up. It gave a tiny shrug, then backed up with a funny shuffle. Shay smiled. She had a pouch with lunch. She pulled a leaf and gave the shrimp a soft shred. The shrimp came close, took the shred, and gave a quick shuffle again. The wind blew. The shrimp hid. Shay kept low and peaked. After a while, The shrimp came out and gave a happy shrug. Shay gave a quiet clap. The bay felt calm, and the shrub danced in the wind. Let's play a game with shh digraphs. Guess the mystery shh word. What is it? Shrimp! Great job! Let's do another one. Guess the mystery shh word. What is it? Shark! Shark has our quiet sound. Guess the mystery shh word. Jellyfish. Guess the mystery shh word. This one's hard. What could it be? Fisherman. Last one. Guess the mystery shh word. You know this. Ocean. Great job, friends. You did excellent work today. I had a best time ever learning about the shh, the quiet sound with you and reading all of these ocean stories. Later, Gators, learn, grow, and let the stories flow. Like and subscribe.